Hi guys, I present to you my flower, otot-otot flower as we call it in Bisaya, but in English it's called Lantana Camara. As you can see, it's a multicolor, dami niyang kulay ang bulaklak. So there's orange, peach, pink, yellow. Ang gaganda niya tingnan. Back then, we don't really appreciate this kasi kahit saan ito tumutubo, it's a wildflower sa probinsya namin. So now I'm here in Singapore, so I realized that this flower is so expensive pala. So sa kondo namin na bago, muntik na ito namatay, kaya inalagaan ko ulit. You can see its blooms now. Thank you, and I'm happy to see it, the very nice and multicolored flower, otot-otot or Lantana Camara. Thank you for watching. God bless.